Have you ever stared at that open bottle of mayo unsure if you should put it in your fridge or your pantry? Well, wonder no longer. Here are 46 condiments and exactly where you should store them once they've been opened. These guidelines are for opened bottles only. When unopened, make sure you store them as per the guidelines on the bottle. So without further ado, let's get into it. These are condiments that need to be stored in your fridge. Mayonnaise, ranch, blue cheese dressing, Thousand Island, tartar sauce, aioli, chipotle mayo, spicy mayo, tzatziki, fresh salsa, guacamole, hummus, horseradish, oyster sauce, teriyaki sauce, fish sauce, hoisin sauce, sweet and sour, pesto, cream-based pasta sauces, cheese sauces, and finally, buffalo sauce. Whew, that was a lot. Next up, these are condiments which need to be stored at room temperature, likely your pantry. Yellow mustard, Dijon mustard, Tabasco, Frank's hot sauce, sriracha, Louisiana hot sauce, sambal, hot chili oils, soy sauce, ponzu sauce, A1 steak sauce, Worcestershire sauce, pure honey, pure maple syrup, thick pepper sauce, malt vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and finally balsamic glaze. And finally, these sauces can live in either place, but I thoroughly recommend you put them in the fridge for quality purposes. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, cocktail sauce, plum sauce, and duck sauce. That's it. If you appreciate me getting straight to the point, consider subscribing. And as always, go and wash your hands.